Hey guys, so I just remodeled my room, so I decided to make a room tour video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I haven't been making YouTube videos just because I haven't been sure of what I want to make or what I should make, so hopefully there's comments down below telling me what I should make. I do live in California, so I've been thinking of making like a winter outfit video just because in California it doesn't get cold at all. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys do, subscribe and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So when you walk in, I have two doors right here, as you guys can see. So I use this door, so when you walk in, this is your view. My room is very, very tiny. So on this side, we have this portrait. I'm gonna be changing that picture right there. I've been having that picture for a long time. I just haven't got the chance to change it or move it. So yeah. So on this corner, I just have like my broom to clean my hardwood floors, and then like a little rack of my shoes. And then I have this painting, what the heck? This portrait from Ross. And then the lights are all from Rite Aid. These are really good. I've always gotten my Christmas lights from Target, and they always run out within a year, and I've had these for like almost 2 years. And so starting on this side, these two candles are from Bath & Body Works. They're the same ones. I got this one for Christmas because this one was running low. I got this for Christmas for my mom. She always gives me a little like gift every year for Christmas. Let's see. These two portraits are from Ross, and I just printed out these two pictures. And then I just have like my little makeup collection because I have them in mason jars, but I just feel like it took up too much space. And then I got this cupcake. I think the Christmas before. I haven't lit it. And then underneath is my box filled with earrings. I got this for Christmas this year. It is so freaking cute. I believe it's from Marshalls. These two, I got these for Christmas as well. This is my trophy from when I was in basketball. And I just think this little corner is my favorite. So I just have this from Marshalls that says, I think I will just be happy today. And then this little candle, which I got for Christmas, and it says, live every day with intention. And then this little frame and a portrait. I don't really know where this picture frame is from, but if I do find out, I'll link it down below. And then this is from my 15. This was my centerpiece for the tables, and we just decided to take one and put it in here. I had to, but I feel like it just took up too much space. And then this cute thing, I love it. I love the color. It's from Marshalls, and I just have like my little essentials here. And then this corner, I have my hamper where I put my dirty clothes, and that's from Marshalls as well. So then, welcome to my bed. Oh my gosh, this I got for Christmas. It's from Marshalls. I made them get it for me because I really wanted it super bad. I was looking for a white one for the longest, but pink is way better. So then I have these picture frames. I believe all of them are from Ross. And then my bed frame, which I've been having since who knows how little I was. And so the cover is from Target. This, I don't know, I feel like it might be from Ross or Amazon. And then that one is from Ross. And then the two color, the pink ones, are from Ross. And then this one's from Target. It came with my underneath. It was like a set. And then I have this little quote up here. It says, be your own kind of beautiful. And then here is me. And then let's see. And then as you walk in, you see this too. This chandelier is from Lamps Plus, I think it's called. I'm not too sure. And then you move to this side, and I bought this rag because I saw so many YouTubers like buying them and like decorating them, but I don't know, like I feel like my room was too small to get it, and I was too lazy to return it because when I move out, I'll probably want to use it. So I just put like all my achievements from when I graduated last year. I think it's cute. And then I had my black denim jacket here too. It was with the fur, but I wore it yesterday, so I took it down. And then underneath it, I just have my little bench. We got it from a neighbor. He was gonna throw it out. It was a wooden bench, but then we just spray painted it black. And I just have my trash can down there. I was wearing those shoes with my outfit, and then those are my slippers. Look how cute they are. They're from Marshalls, by the way. And then that, I just have like all my essentials, like all my school essentials that I need right now. So I have my yearbook, because you can never go wrong, my retainer cleaner, my Apple box, and my books I'm using for this quarter. So that is my room. It is very, very small and short. So that concludes this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. And remember, comment down below what you guys want to see next.